Dear learners, very good afternoon to all of you. We are in this books course, live session, Advanced Thermodynamics and Combustion. May I request you to join this meeting, but it appears to me that nobody is there in this till now. Just I want to emphasize one particular point in this live session is that this is the last live session for this course. You will not have any chance to meet, discuss the faculty members who developed this course. In this aspect, I need to emphasize that there were certain queries that were raised during these interactions. One of the important point the learners emphasize that is that how to prepare the final exam. For them, my sincere advice would be that please go through the lecture materials which was given as a attached PDF file or notes. And in principle, I have almost in every lectures, I have almost solved one or a few problems towards the end of these lectures. So a sincere request is that while coming prepared for this final exam, you must go through these problems, and maybe you did not have to go for any reference materials. Rather, you go point by point, line by line, study in the notes which are available to you. And very recently, in the last week, maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, we have uploaded some tutorial session materials, that is in the week 12. In this tutorial, there were two tutorial sections represented as a problem solving sessions and learning components for this course. In these tutorial sessions, I have emphasized mainly the numerical problem solving which needs to be done for the preparation of the final exams. So a sincere advice and request is that if you are appearing the final exams and you are intending to go for a good score, so I request you to go through these problems, solve on your own, and it will definitely help you while tackling these problems during the exams. So this is what I wanted to tell about the final exams, where you can score high, and this will also help you to understand all the learning components of this course. We can request for another 5 minutes, if anybody, 5 to 10 minutes, if anybody joins this meeting. In particular, we have in the last two live sessions, we have addressed most of the queries raised in the forum, and I tried to answer all these common queries in the last two live sessions. That is also another beneficial approach where you can learn the important topics of this course. So there was one question whether the final exam question will be MCQ type or not? Yes, there will be most of the questions will be MCQ type, that is multiple choice questions. If I split out the typical question pattern, then it will be like in the four categories. One is in recall type, and again there can be multiple choice questions. And in this multiple choice questions, there will be only out of four options, only one option is correct. So you have to choose the correct options to get the score. There are other type of questions which is similar to multiple choice questions, and there we call this as a multiple select questions. That means out of four options, there will be chances that more than one options may be correct. So some cases only two answers will be correct. Some cases three options may be correct, like that. Or some cases all the four options may be correct. So you have to judiciously choose all the correct answers. Then marks will be awarded. Third category of questions is like true or false type. So a statement will be given. So you have to make your judgment whether it's a true or false. Fourth type of questions will be like you will be given a numerical problems, and in these numerical problems you have to find the answers. Now we and for these kind of questions, you have to write the answers maybe simple integers or maybe up to 1 or 2 or 3 decimal places, and in fact, if your answer falls with our specified range, then you will be given full marks. So all the questions what you look at is either it will be 1 mark or 2 marks questions, and in totality you will have maybe around 60 to 70 within that range you will have the questions, and maximum marks will be 100. So it is better that you run. That is the reason I told in the beginning that you must go through the lecture material thoroughly. There is no requirement that for the exam for front only you can refer books, but that not for a short time. If you are finding difficulties in referring books, then it is better that you go through the handouts properly and read them thoroughly, line by line. This is one way. Second thing, you please make sure that you solve the questions or answers on your own. In fact, most of the exams, the problems has been solved in the lecture notes itself. And in specifically, there were 2 more additional tutorial sessions which was uploaded in the week 12 session. There you can we have solved some many questions, and you can take them as a question bank for the final exams. So this is how you should go for this exam. Our next question is that whether the exam will be online or pen paper mode. It is definitely the exam will be on online mode, and there is no question of pen paper. Rather, you can carry your as per the exam guidelines. You can carry your pen paper. I think calculator. I think it will be provided in the during digital calculator will be also appear when you start logging into the portal. So this is all about the how you need to conduct the exam. And all the exam pattern will be followed. Generalized view of exam pattern will be as per the NPTEL guidelines. And we are from our side, technical sessions. You may I have already explained how we need to prepare. Okay, thank you very much. So any other? There is one. There is no other questions. Any other thing you need to ask, Miss Payal? Okay, there is no questions. There is okay. So I hope the learners has no more questions. Uh, with this, my best wishes to all of you, and it is a good platform that you people have given your honest feedback in terms of your queries, and I hope you must have enjoyed this course. Maybe in future we may meet in some other occasion in some other courses. So I wish all the best of luck for your final exams, and I hope this course will be a valuable asset not only for you in terms of credit transfer, but it will be very much for higher studies. So with these notes or viewpoints, I sincerely thank all of you, and let us close the sessions. Thank you again.